So first we are going to take some fennel seeds, which is soft, and crystal sugar, which is misri, and one cardamom, elaichi. We're going to blend all the ingredients together in a grinder. So the quantities we're taking would be 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of crystal sugars, 1 cardamom, and 1 pinch of salt. Cardamom helps in digestion, and curd is a probiotic. Curd helps in producing good bacteria. Next, we'll take a bowl and add 6 tablespoons of curd into it. We'll add 2 teaspoons of mixture into the curd, mix it well, and take it when required. Thank you for watching. You can like, subscribe, and comment to my channel.